Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can get free gifts on Temu. So for this method, we're going to be downloading a tweaked version of the app so we can get even more free gifts and even more free stuff on Temu. So the first thing we have to do is that we have from the browser here, you want to search up, type in VIP Gens. Now on VIP Gens, just type enter. And then on enter, you'll see that this is the website up here, VIP Gens with this logo AR, right? Now on VIP Gens, just tap on it like this and it'll open the website like this. Just click on continue. You can watch the tutorial if you'd like, but I'm just going to skip that. Now you can see there's a lot of apps here that you can download, but the one we want is of course a tweaked version of Temu. So go to the search bar up here and then you want to search up Temu, right? On Temu, you can see Temu free gifts and it's a modded version, right? So from here, just tap on this download button to download Temu. If you like this video, please do consider liking and subscribing.